Managing all these charts and Analyser reports is becoming a nightmare. My technicians are constantly battling maintenance issues, wasting precious time, and our operators are having trouble acquiring accurate data. There must be a better way to handle all this. And then I discovered the solution: CalSys, Analyser management software from KROHNE. CalSys gives us device-level details and an overview on the plant level, streamlining our Analyser management. And with its scalability in mind, CalSys can virtually support any number of devices we have. Field engineers can easily enter their validation data by simply scanning a QR code with their tablets and smartphones, providing them direct access to the correct section in CalSys. This functionality allows for streamlined data entry, eliminating manual processes and ensuring accurate and efficient validation. CalSys focuses on three key functions: analytical performance, availability, and maintainability. CalSys helps us achieve optimal analytical performance, ensuring accurate and reliable data. It maximizes the availability of our Analyser equipment, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Additionally, it simplifies maintenance tasks, making it easier to manage and maintain our analyzers. With CalSys, we have a comprehensive solution that addresses all our requirements. Moreover, CalSys is ready for an autonomous future, which can additionally facilitate and accelerate our day-to-day business. Optimize your operation with CalSys, KROHNE Analyser management software.